Good morning, all of you. I am V. Srinivas Reddy, Associate Professor of Mathematics, Government Degree College, Ramanapet, Telangana State. Already have given 4 video lessons on differential equation. This is the 5th video lesson on differential equation. Today, we'll talk on Bernoulli differential equation. So, already last class, I talked on linear differential equation. Today, we'll cover on first I will define the Bernoulli differential equation and then solution of Bernoulli differential equation and problems. So first I will define when you say an equation is called Bernoulli differential equation. An equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n, where p and q are functions in x and n is constant except 0 and 1 is called Bernoulli differential equation. An equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n, except here where n is constant except 0 and 1, and pq are the functions in x alone or constants, then the equation is called Bernoulli differential equation. So now, how to find the solution of Bernoulli differential equation? So Bernoulli differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n, where pq are functions in x or constants, where n not equal 0, n is a constant except 0 and 1. N not equal 0, n equal to 1. So here, if n is equal to 0, then it will become a linear differential equation. Now dividing by y power n, now divide this equation by y power n, we get here 1 by y power n, that means y power minus n divided by dx. Here y by y power n, that is equal to y power 1 minus n is equal to q. So dividing by y power n, we get y power minus n divided by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n q. So let u is equal to y power 1 minus n. So therefore du by dx equal to 1 minus n derivative of u with respect to x. Let u is equal to y power 1 minus n y power minus n du by dx. So y power n minus therefore y power minus n dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus n du by dx. So substitute these values in 2, we'll get y power minus n divided by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n du by dx plus pu is equal to q, So du by dx 1 minus n pu is equal to 1 minus n into q. This is the linear differential equation. The first solution is u into integrating a factor, that equal to integrating factor 1 minus q dx plus c, where integrating factor equal to e power integral 1 minus n p dx. The first solution is u into e power integral 1 minus p dx, that equal to 1 minus n e power integral 1 minus p dx q dx plus c. So just to solve Bernoulli differential equation, now divide just by y power n, y power minus n du by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n equal to q. So u is equal to y, let u is equal to y power 1 minus n, du by dx equal to 1 minus n y power minus n du by dx, y power minus n du by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n du by dx. Substitute these values, then given equation will become linear differential equation. So we know that the solution of linear differential equation is u into if integral if, here in place of q 1 minus n q dx plus c. So another form of a linear differential equation, another form of Bernoulli differential equation is a dx by dy plus px equal to q into x power, where pq are functions in y or constants, or constants, and n is not equal to 0 and n is constant where n is constant except 0 and 1, and not equal to 0 and n not equal to 1. So in other words, we say that the Bernoulli differential equation is also called reducible linear form. We can reduce into linear differential equation by substituting u is equal to 1 by y power n. That's why we say that Bernoulli's differential is also called reducible linear form. Bernoulli form is also called the reducible linear form. See some problems on Bernoulli differential equation. You see first problem. Solve dy by dx plus y by x, y square x sin x. Now, this equation, this Bernoulli equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power. Here n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 2. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n. So now to solve this, dividing by y square, we will get 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by y is equal to x sin x. So to solve this, let u is equal to 1 by y. We'll get du by dx equal to minus 1 by y square du by dx. So here we are taking u is equal to 1 by y, du by dx equal to minus 1 by y square du by dx. Therefore, 1 by y square du by dx equal to minus du by dx. So substituting these values in the equation 1, we will get in place of 1 by y square du by dx minus du by dx, and 1 by x in place of 1 by y, you write u that equal to x sin x. So finally, du by dx minus 1 by x u minus x sin x. This is a linear differential equation. So finally, we are reducing Bernoulli equation can be reduced into linear form. So this is a linear differential equation. Du by dx plus pu is equal to q. So where p is equal to, here p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to minus x sin x. So we know that in a linear differential equation, integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx, that equal to e power integral minus 1 by x dx, that is e power minus log x, that is log x power, e power log x power minus 1, we get x power minus 1. So that equal to 1 by x. So finally, we are getting e power log x power minus 1, that equal to x power minus 1, that equal to 1 by x. Therefore, solution is u into I of integral I of q dx plus c. So here e power, here e missed, e power log x power minus 1, e log of them cancelled, that equal to x power minus 1, that is 1 by x. Therefore, solution is u into integral factor of f q dx plus c. So finally, we are getting u into 1 by x minus x sin x. Here q is minus x sin x. So dx plus c. So x will be cancelled. Integral minus sin x dx plus c. So finally, u is equal to 1 by y, 1 by y, 1 by x. That equal to integral minus sin x dx. We know that integral of minus sin x is cos x plus c. Finally, we are getting 1 by xy plus is equal to cos x plus c. So 1 is equal to xy cos x plus cxy. This is the solution of the given Bernoulli differential equation. So here just write u is equal to 1 by y. We'll get du by dx equal to minus 1 by y square du by dx, and substitute 1 by y square du by dx minus du by dx. We change into given equation, change into linear form. This can be solved easily. So second problem. So problem 2. Solve dy by dx plus x sin 2y equal to x cube cos square. Solve x dy by dx plus x sin 2y is equal to x cube cos square y. So dividing by cos square y, we'll get 1 by cos square y dy by dx plus x by cos square y. Sin 2y, we know that the sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. That's why I have written here 2 sin y cos y. 2 sin y cos y, that equal to x cube. So sin 2x equal to 2 sin 2y equal to 2 sin y cos y. So we know that 1 by cos y is secant y. Therefore, 1 by cos square y equal to secant square y. You are getting dy by dx, and here cos x will be cancelled. Sin x, sorry, cos y will be cancelled. Sin y by cos y equal to tan y. So finally, we are getting 2x tan y. Here cos y will be cancelled. We'll get sin y by cos y, that is a 2x tan y, that equal x cube. So let u is equal to tan y. So du by dx equal to secant square y dy by secant square y du by dx. So let u is equal to tan y. Then du by dx equal to secant square y du by dx. Substitute these values in the given equation. So in place of secant square du by dx, we write secant square y dy by dx, we write du by dx. And in place of tan y, I'm writing u. So finally, we are getting du by dx plus 2xu equal to x. So here we are taking u is equal to tan y, and then du by dx equal to secant square y dy by dx. Now we substitute secant square y dy by dx equal to du by dx plus 2xu is equal to x cube. This is a linear difference equation. Du by dx plus pu is equal to q. You know that this is a linear difference equation. Du by dx plus pu equal to q, where p is equal to x and q is equal to x cube. So integrating factor is e power integral p dx. Here e power integral 2x dx. E power integral 2x dx. So e power integral 2x dx equal to e power x square. So we know that the solution of the linear difference equation is u into integrating factor. Here in place of y, u is there. U into integrating factor q dx. Integrating factor q dx plus c. That is here q missed. Integrating factor into q dx. Here integrating factor into q dx. Q is missed. So u into e power x square. Integrating factor e power x square. Here q missed. In place of q, we write here q is x cube. X cube dx plus c. So solution is u into integrating factor of the u into integrating factor in the integrating factor q dx plus c. So finally, we are getting u e power x square integral e power x square x cube dx plus c. So finally, u into e power x square 1 by 2. To do this integration, I will write x cube, x square, 2x and 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled, x square x cube. Will write the product x cube as x square into x. So write 1 by 2 into 2. So now to solve, to integrate this, just let t is equal to x square. Let t is equal to x square, then automatically dt is equal to 2x dx. So if you take t is equal to x square, then automatically dt is equal to 2x dx. Therefore, this is a 1 by 2 integral t e power t. We write the 2x dx equal to dt. We write 2x dx equal to dt. Finally, we are getting integral t e power t dt. We know that integral t e power t dt is directly t minus 1 d power t. If you can do this integrating by factor u into integral of v, t into integral of v power t, t e power t, you get minus integral of derivative of v is the 1 into e power t dt. Integral e power t is equal to, finally, we are getting t minus 1 equal. So we can write, or directly we can write, you know that integral t e power dt equal to t minus 1 d power dt. Finally, we are getting u into e power x square equal to 1 by 2 t minus 1 e power t plus c. So, but t is equal to x square. So 1 by 2 x square e power x square plus c. Finally, we are getting tan y equal to, but here u is equal to, taken u is equal to tan y. So already we have taken u is equal to tan y. That's why tan y e power x square, that equal to 1 by 2 x square minus 1 e power x square plus c. So now dividing by e power x square, we'll get 10 tan y 1 by 2 x square minus 1 plus c e power minus x square. So once again, let's see. Here, just dividing by cos square y, we'll get secant square y dy by dx, and write the sin 2 by 2 sin y cos y. Cos y will be cancelled. 2 sin y by cos y is 2 tan y. Finally, we'll get du, taking u is equal to tan y. This is du by dx, that is equal to secant square y du by dx. So finally, we are getting du by dx plus 2x u equal to x cube. So therefore, this is a linear differential equation, du by dx plus pu equal to q. This can be solved easily. U integrating factor and integral integrating factor q dx plus c. See next problem. Solve x square y cube plus xy divided by dx equal to 1. So divided by dx equal to 1 by x square y cube plus xy plus xy. So this is not of the first form of the Bernoulli differential equation, but it is second form clearly. Dx by dy equal to x square y cube plus xy. So dx by dy equal to x square y cube plus xy. With taking left hand side, we'll get dx by dy minus xy is equal to x square y cube. So this is a Bernoulli differential equations of the form dx by dy px equal to q into x power n, where pq are functions in y. This is the second form of the linear Bernoulli differential equation. Second form is dx by dy plus px plus q into x power n. So where pq are functions in y. So here p is a minus y, q is a y cube. So now dividing by x square, here in place of n, 2 is there. That's why dividing by x square. So we get 1 by x square dx by dy minus 1 by x y is equal to y. Let u is equal to 1 by x. It is the second form of the Bernoulli differential equation. Dx by dy plus px equal to q into x power n, where pq are functions in y. P is equal to minus y, q is equal to y cube. So u is equal to 1 by x du by dy is equal to minus 1 by x square dx by dy. So 1 by x square dx by dy equal to minus du by dy. So substituting these values, we write first minus du by dy minus yu is equal to y, minus yu equal to y. So finally we are getting du by dy plus yu is equal to minus y cube. So du by dy plus yu is equal to minus y cube. This is a linear differential equation of the form du by dy plus pu is equal to q, where pq are functions in y. Where pq are functions in y. So this is of the linear differential equation of the form du by dy plus py equal to q. So therefore p is equal to y. Here q is equal to minus y. Here p is equal to y, q is equal to minus y. So integrating factor, you know that for this, here p is function in y, integrating factor e power integral p dy, e power integral p dy. So this is equal to e power integral y dy, that is equal to e power, you know that for y, derivative is integration is y square by 2. You get e power y square by 2. Therefore, solution is this is a linear differential equation du by dy plus p equal to r, here u into if q dy plus c, because the pq are functions in y. So integrating factor e power y square by 2 will get e power y square by 2 y cube dy plus c. So I write y cube y square y dy. So y square into y cube. So now let t is equal to y square by 2. We will get dt is equal to 2y dy by 2. 2 will be cancelled, y dy we will get. So let t is equal to y square by 2. Then we will get dt is equal to 2y dy by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Dt is equal to y dy by dt equal to y dy. So y square equal to 2t. Y square equal to 2t. So from this, t is equal to y square by 2, y square equal to 2t. So you will get u into e power y square by 2 integral 2t. So in place of y square 2t e power t dt. So this problem is another form of the Bernoulli differential equation. This is of the form dx by dy plus px equal to qx power n. So where p is equal to minus y, q is equal to y cube. Here n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 2. That's why I'm dividing by, we are dividing by x power n. So dividing by x square, we will get 1 by x square dx by dy minus 1 by x y equal to y. So finally we are getting, let u is equal to 1 by x, du by dy equal to minus 1 by x square, dx by dy. So substituting these values, we'll get, this is a minus du by dx, this is minus yu and is equal to y cube. Du by dx plus y equal to minus y. Finally, it is a linear differential equation. It will be reduced to linear differential equation. So here p is equal to y. Integrating factor equal e power y dy. That equal e power y square by 2. Finally, solution is if q dy plus c. Here e power y square by 2 y cube dy. Y square e power y square by 2 y dy. Let t equal to y square by 2 dt equal to y dy. So finally, we are getting integral 2t e power t dt plus c. So here, so u into e power y square by 2, we know that the integral t e power t equal to t minus 1 e power t. So finally, we are getting minus 2 t minus 1 e power t plus t. So finally, we are getting u e power y square by 2 minus 2 into y square by 2. T is y square by 2 minus 1 e power y square by 2 plus 3. So u is equal to, dividing this minus minus plus 2 minus y square. It will be cancelled. C e power minus y square by 2. Finally, u is equal to 1 by x. So therefore, solution is 1 by x equal to 2 minus y square plus c e power minus y square by 2. Therefore, solution is 1 equal to x into 2 minus y square plus cx e power minus y square by 2. So we see another problem. This is a 2x minus 10y cube divided by dx plus y equal 0. And 2x minus 10y cube divided by dx minus y. This is a divided by dx minus y by 2x minus 10y cube. Reversing dx by dy equal to 2x minus 10y cube by minus y. We'll get dx by dy minus 2x by y plus 10y square. Dx by dy minus dx by dy equal to minus 2x by y plus 10y square. So, but this is a directly, it comes a linear differential equation. Or when we are taking n equal 0 for Bernoulli differential equation, it will become linear differential equation. It is directly a linear differential equation. Dx by dy plus 2 by y dx equal to 10y square. This is a linear differential equation of the form dx by dy plus py equal to q. This is a linear differential equation of the form dx by dy plus py equal to q. Here p is equal to 2 by y, q is equal to 10y square, p is equal to 2 by y, q is equal to 10y square. So integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dy, that is e power 2 by y dy, that is e power 2 log y, that is e power log y square. So n log m is equal to log m square, m power n, that is e power log y square, e logarithm will be cancelled, you get y square. Therefore, solution is x into integrating factor q dy plus c. So here integrating factor is y square, x into y square, integral y square. But here q is a 10y square dy plus c. Finally, we are getting 10y power 4 dy plus c. So we know that integral of y power 4, integral of y power 4 is y power 5 by 5. We'll get 5 will be cancelled. 5y power 5 by 5. 5 2s are 10s. That's why we'll get 2y power 5 plus c. Finally, we are getting xy square is equal to 2y power 5 plus c. So for n is equal to 0, Bernoulli differential equation will become linear differential equation. So it comes under this. So here 2x plus 2x minus 10y cube divided by dx equal minus 5. So therefore dy by dx equal minus 5 by 2x by 10 minus y cube. So finally we are getting dx by dy equal to 2x minus 10y cube by minus 5. This is a dx by dy minus 2y by x plus 10y square. So this is the linear differential equation dx by dy plus py equal to. So finally we are getting p equal to 2 by y, p is equal to 10y square. So integrating factor, you know that this is e power equal p dy, e power 2 log y will get y square. So this is x into I of in the integral of integrating factor q dy plus c. Okay. See another problem. So here solve 3 dy by dx plus 2y by x plus 1 is equal to x cube by y square, x cube by y square. So solve 3 dy by dx plus xy by x plus 1 is equal to x cube by y square. So 3y square dy by dx multiplying by cross multiplication by y square, we'll get 3y square dy by dx plus 2 by x plus 1 y cube is equal to x cube. This is the Bernoulli differential equation. Dy by dx actually py equal to qy power n. Here n is equal to minus 2. Here n is equal to minus 2. That's why I divided by y power minus 2. That means multiplying by y square. So here in place of n, minus 2 is there. Here 1 by y square. That is 1 by y square means y power minus 2. Here n is equal to minus 2. So let u is equal to y cube. Let u is equal to y cube. Du by dx. Du by dx equal to 3y square. 3y square dy by dx. So here u is let u is equal to y cube. Different derivative of du by dx equal to 3y square dy by dx. So finally we are getting 3y square dy by dx equal to du by dx, and 2 by x plus 1. Here u is equal to y cube. Du by dx plus 2 by x plus 1 u x cube. This is a linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation. Du by dx plus pu is equal to. So this is a linear differential equation. Du by dx plus pu equal to q. So here p is equal to 2 by x plus 1. Q is equal to x cube. So it reduces to linear differential equation. Therefore here p is equal to 2 by x plus 1. Q is equal to x cube. Therefore, integrating factor, we know for the linear differential equation, integrating factor e power integral p dx. So e power integral 2 by x plus 1 dx. So e power 2 logarithm of x plus 1, that equal to e power log x plus 1 whole square. E logarithm will be cancelled, we'll get x plus 1 whole square will be integrating factor. Get integrating factor is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So therefore solution, this is a linear differential equation du by dx plus pu is equal to q. So solution is u into integrating factor q dx plus c. U into integrating factor, your integrating factor f q dx plus c. Here if is x plus 1 whole square. Integral if is x plus 1 whole square. Here q is x cube dx plus c. So u into x plus 1 whole square is equal to, we know that x plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square, x square plus 2ab 2x plus b square. 1 square is 1. And this is x cube, q is x cube, dx plus. Finally, we are getting x square x cube x power 5 and 2x into x cube x power 4 2x power 4 and 1 into x cube x cube. So finally, we are getting x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus x cube dx plus. So here u is already have taken u as y cube. That's why y cube x plus 1 whole square. So we know that integral of x power 5 is x power 6 by 6. We know that x power n integration is the x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 for the integral x power n dx. Therefore, x power 5 is x power 6 by 6. And for x power 4, x power 5 by 6, x power 5 by 5. Sorry. Here, integral x power 4 is x power 5 by 5. And the integral of x cube is equal to x power 4 by 4. So finally, we are getting the solution y cube x plus 1 finally, we are getting solution y cube x plus 1 whole square is equal to x power 6 by 6. So that is a 2 plus 2x power 5 by 5. That is x power 4 by 4 plus 6. Once again, we see this problem. Here 3 divided by x plus 2y by x plus 1 equal x cube by y square. Just cross multiplication 3y square divided by x plus 2 by x plus 1 y cube is equal to x cube. This is a Bernoulli differential equation. Actually, here in place of n, minus 2 is there. So where p is equal to x 2 by x plus 1, q is equal to x cube, and n is equal to minus 2. Here 1 by y square. So let u is equal to y cube, du by dx equal to 3y square dy by dx. Substituting du by dx plus 2 by x plus 1 u is equal to x cube. This is a linear differential equation. Du by dx plus pu is equal to q. Where p is equal to 2 by x plus 1, q is equal to x cube. So integrating factor e power integral 2 by x plus 1 e power 2 log x plus 1, that is equal to finally we are getting x plus 1 whole square. You know, that's the solution for LD u into integrating factor q dx plus c. So u into x plus 1 whole square, that equal to x plus 1 whole square x cube dx. So u into x plus 1 whole square, we can solve this x plus 1 whole square x square plus 2x plus 1 x cube dx plus. Finally, we are getting x cube plus 2x power 4 plus x cube dx. And we know that integral of x power 5, x power 6 by 6. X power 4 is x power 5 by 5. X power q, x cube is x power 4 by 5. So finally, an equation of the form dy by dx. An equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to qy power n, where pq are functions in x, and n is a constant. N is a constant except 0 and 1 is called Bernoulli differential equation. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n, where p and q are functions in x and n is a constant except 0 and 1 is called Bernoulli differential equation. This can be solved by reducing into a linear differential equation. Just divide by y power n and take, by dividing y power n, we'll get y power minus n divided by dx plus p into y power 1 minus 1 q. Let u is equal to y power 1 minus n, taking u is equal to, and du by dx equal to 1 minus n y power minus n du by dx. Then automatically given differential equation reduces to linear differential equation. Linear differential equation just by substituting u is equal to y power 1 minus n. Let u is equal to y power 1 minus n. Similarly, another form is a dx by du plus px equal to qx power n, where pq are functions in y or constant. Where pq are functions in y or constant. in this case, just we divide by x power n and taking u is equal to x power 1 minus n, it can be reduced to a linear form. So in other words, we say that Bernoulli's form is also called a reducible linear form because it can be reduced to a linear form. Thank you.